Hi everyone. So hope you're doing great. So this is a recap from our last tutorial. Based on what we did, like we created the menu, and then now it's responsive, has a side menu. Like let me do inspect. So you have something like this. So next we're gonna add a background image, add text on top with a rectangle, and then we'll be good with that. So let's get started. So okay, you can go ahead get an image of your choice, and then what I'm gonna change is just the colors at the top. Let me open the file. So I'm going to open my file with the live server. I actually want to change this to a light gray color, so just a minute before we proceed. So the style, it's the links, so nav links on hover. So we have background color to RGB 80. Let's see how it looks. So and then I'll change back the I'll actually not have any hover, I'll not have any change of color on there. So let's see exactly. So on something like this, and then I'll change the stroke to white. Okay, so that's fine. So we have something like that. Now now let's add our background image. So what do we do? Like we could create another section. I can call it create a div. So minute dot intro section, and then now with a div we are going to add now like the image. So we go to our file. I can create now another section here at the bottom just before the media queries. I can call it intro section. That's a command just for. Then now for ordering things, then we have dot intro section. We're going to add a background image. So a background image, I go to my images folder. We have this image, so I'll reference to URL. Then we have images. You link to this image. So as you can see, once I save, the image is going to show on the. Just a minute, something is not going right. So we're going to have let's add the size and see the background size. We're going to give it cover. Just before we proceed, there's something on. Since we haven't styled the div, we don't have a height yet. The image cannot show. So we're going to add a height of on this div. We'll add a height of I can give it 100, but I want to give it around 70. I don't want it to occupy the whole viewport. So 70 VH, and then you're going to see like the image are shown now. But then 70% of the viewport height, and then we are going to have we want to position the image at the center. So we go to background position, give it center. You see the image goes to the center. Background, repeat, no repeat. And then we have so that's nice, the size, position, so that we are good with that. So and then check if our image is responsive. You can check like it's fine. So everything is fine, including our menus. So this is from what we did initially, but then we are going to make the menu smaller. We're gonna adjust the menus later on. So we have that, as you can see. So next we are going to add like we're going to add an image, we're going to add like text on top, and then add like an overlay background to make our text stand out. So in the intro section you're going to have like another div like dot message, and give it that name, and then you're going to have like a heading 3 city, then can add a paragraph like a nice place to relax and away from. Okay, so we have our text shows there. So we need to position our text at the center. We can give it so we want to add like a box, so we can add the box to the div. So we have dot message, the div itself dot message. We add a background color of so we have something like this is it. So we can add a background, but you see the background has an opacity. So let me choose this color. You can go to rgba.colorpicker.com, so I can pick this. Then let's see. So we have that. We give it a padding of 1.2 rem by, that's top bottom, and then 1.5. So let's see what we have. It's occupying the whole viewport, so we're going to change that. And then we're going to change the color to white for the text. So we have the color to white. Let me give this, everyone likes this, I don't know why, so we're going to use it. Then now we're going to style like style the heading gray and have it a bigger font. So we have dot intro dot message target heading gray. We have the font size as 1.5 rem. Let's see how it looks. Not yet. 2 rem, much bigger now. And then you note like our background image doesn't have the opacity, it's not. How about we give it like 4, 0.4. Oh, not bad. Actually, this is not what I want. This is how about we give it like a different, let's see. No. Okay, we'll change it. Now we need to change the position to the center. How about we give it a display flex, the whole div. No, we give the intro section a display of flex so that we can position this div at the center. So we're going to have a display flex. So by default it's horizontal, so we are going to style justify content center. So let's see what we're going to have. Then we give it the same way, align items center. There we go. So we have our image at the center. Let's see, the font must be bigger. Can change this font to around let's see how it looks. So we're gonna center this at the center, text align center. So we're going to have at the message, here we go. So we have something like that, and there we go. Now you realize that on this website, it's scrolling. Once you scroll, the bar hides, uh, and then when you scroll up again, you get to, there's a reveal. So we're gonna do that one, animate with JavaScript. That's gonna be our next video. And then as we go along, as we develop the site to something more interesting. So hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and then we can do more along the way. Thank you.